So here's the real deal, McNeil on this bad boy. I am truly impressed. I can't say enough. I am truly impressed with the millwork on the handles. That is exceptional. That is exceptional. You don't get that nowadays with many ballad songs. You know, they go cheapy, they go aluminum, but man, they went well above and beyond to make this an amazing looking bally. And then they put these holes in to lighten up the blade. And I guess it's tough because they don't want to make something that somebody already has, right? You've seen the trainer blades from Flytanium, where they basically skeletonize it and it's just it's milled out in the inside. That is a nice looking trainer blade. And I guess they want to make something different. It's hard to make something unique nowadays with the ballad song community. This is not a bad iteration. But I'm just blown away by that titanium handles. I really am. I don't know if I've said that too much. Somebody wanted to hear the sounds. You know, listen, I'm not a big, you know, it's quiet. It's quiet. I don't know if you can hear that. It's very quiet. Do you like that? Some people like making ballad songs that make a lot of sounds, but I'm trying to do this. I only got like this much gap between me, the camera, and the table, and yeah, it's quiet, folks. There's you know, there's no chatter, nothing. So yeah, it's very quiet for sure. So yeah, I want to make that for somebody, but still impressed. A couple of days in. I like that they make different versions of the blade, so it's still a bottle opener. I think that's very useful, but not everybody wants that because not everybody drinks, right? So the kids that are underage, they might just want to go with the straight up trainer. But for the gents and the ladies that are a little bit older, they might want to go with the bottle opener option. Pretty cool. Anyway, just a quick video update. Somebody wanted the sounds of silence. Peace.